Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Wealthy Clan. Today, we have a thought-provoking and, frankly, eye-opening topic to discuss: signs you're wasting your life away. It's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle of life without realizing that we might be missing out on the things that truly matter. But fear not, because by the end of this video, you'll have some valuable insights and practical solutions to reclaim your life's purpose. First up, neglecting your passions. One of the most telling signs that you're wasting your life is when you no longer pursue the things that make you truly happy. Whether it's a hobby, a talent, or an interest, neglecting these passions can leave you feeling unfulfilled. Set aside time in your schedule to do the things that bring you joy. Find a local club or group that shares your interests. This can help you connect with like-minded individuals who share your passions, creating a supportive community. Next on our list is mindless consumption. It's so easy to get caught up in a cycle of overeating, binge-watching, and overspending. This not only drains your resources but also your valuable time. To fix this, start by practicing mindfulness. Be conscious of your choices and set limits. Use that time to invest in self-improvement or relationships instead. You might be surprised at how much you can learn or grow when you redirect your energy. Another significant sign is being in toxic relationships. Whether it's a friend who constantly brings you down or a partner who doesn't support your growth, toxic relationships can be detrimental. The solution here is to evaluate your relationships honestly. Surround yourself with people who uplift and inspire you. Don't be afraid to distance yourself from negativity. Seek therapy or counseling if needed, as professional guidance can be immensely helpful in healing and setting boundaries. Procrastination, a silent life waster. Putting things off until the last minute can leave you feeling stressed and unproductive. To fix this, develop a structured routine. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable steps, and hold yourself accountable. You'll find that accomplishing your goals is not only satisfying but also liberating. Consider using productivity apps or techniques such as the Pomodoro technique to boost your focus and efficiency. Lastly, a lack of clear goals can make you feel like you're wandering aimlessly through life. To remedy this, set meaningful, achievable goals. Create a vision for your life and work towards it. Having goals gives you direction and motivation. Break them down into short-term and long-term goals, and regularly review and adjust them as you grow and evolve. Remember, the journey towards a more fulfilling life is a process, not an overnight transformation. Be patient with yourself and celebrate small victories along the way. Seek inspiration from books, podcasts, or even role models who have overcome similar challenges. You have the power to take control of your life and make it a meaningful and purposeful journey. So there you have it, the signs that you might be wasting your life away and practical solutions to fix them. Remember, it's never too late to make positive changes and live a more fulfilling life. Take these steps, embrace your passions, and surround yourself with positivity. Your future self will thank you. Thank you for joining us today on the Wealthy Clan. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more inspiring content, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep living your best life.